All right, y'all. So take a top off an old water bottle and cut a hole in the lid. Put it on your bit. And there you go. That's gonna catch all the dust from the sheetrock up here. So Charlie's filming. We'll put a level right here on the side of this pipe on all 3 sides, and then I learned where to put this. And then see, I'm gonna go right here and drill this hole. See? Caught all the sheetrock dust in here. Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I also take this off so it wouldn't get any dust. So what I'll do is take this tape off, I'll shove my pipe up in there and come back down.
You're fine.
See all that? This is dust that it caught. That didn't go down in my pipe and it didn't fall in my face. That's how you do it.